On behalf of the Pans family, this has really come as a shock to us. We are really trying to digest.
Rita was who she was. Very laid back, a person of very few words, but very friendly. So, yeah.
The recent passing of journalist Rita Tinina has not only saddened but also profoundly impacted the media landscape across our nation. As news of her untimely demise spreads, a collective sense of grief envelops colleagues and admirers alike, mourning the loss of a true pioneer in the field of journalism. Rita Tinina was more than just a journalist. She was a beacon of excellence, known for her trailblazing work and unwavering dedication to her craft. Her contributions to the industry were not only significant but also widely celebrated, earning her respect and admiration from peers and audiences alike. Her passing has triggered an outpouring of tributes from fellow journalists and media professionals, underscoring the profound impact she had on the profession and the lives she touched throughout her career. In the aftermath of this tragic event, new details have emerged, providing insight into the circumstances surrounding Tinina's passing. Reports from the Kileleshwa police station indicate that she was found unconscious in her home, highlighting a battle with epilepsy, a condition that might have led to her demise. It's been revealed that Tinina had been grappling with a severe fever in the days preceding her death, adding a layer of complexity to the already heartbreaking situation. Her sister, who filed the report, described the distressing moment of discovering her unconscious in her bedroom, setting in motion a chain of events that culminated in the loss of a remarkable individual. The shockwaves of Tinina's passing reverberate throughout the media community, serving as a poignant reminder of the fragility of life. Despite her recent return to NTV Kenya after a tenure at KTN News, her impact remained undiminished, a testament to her enduring legacy. Her commitment to journalism and her unwavering pursuit of truth made her a beloved figure among her peers, leaving an indelible mark on the industry she served with distinction. At the time of her passing, Rita Tinina was not just a journalist but also a devoted mother, sharing her life with her 8-year-old daughter. The profound loss is further compounded by the heartbreaking reality faced by her family, who now navigate the difficult journey of grief and mourning. In this challenging time, the family has rightfully requested privacy as they come to terms with their loss and honor Tinina's memory. As investigations into the circumstances surrounding her death continue, the loss of Rita Tinina serves as a poignant reminder of the fragility of life and the unpredictable nature of fate. Yet, amidst the sorrow, her legacy remains steadfast, serving as an inspiration to future generations of journalists. May her soul find eternal peace, and may her contributions to journalism continue to resonate for years to come. This is a developing story. Continue following the Kenyan News Channel to get more updates.